Because they receive love as hate. Because that's how they feel about themselves. They don't know how to they don't know how to mind their business. They don't know how to shut the hell up. Because it's noisy. They don't have no peace in their mind. It's noisy in there. They out of control. They mind everywhere. See what I'm saying? They're not in control of their own reality. See what I'm saying? Conflict, commotion, commotion. That's all they know. Perplexity. That's all they know. See what I'm saying? Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. That's all they know. And then anytime you come try to interfere with love, anytime you try to come interfere with love, I'm uplifting people in here. I'm spreading love in here. And you got a problem with that. You gotta go sit your ass down somewhere and battle them demons. Do some shadow work and face your demons and rise above that shit. Cause y'all coming out, y'all jumping out, huh? Y'all know y'all time. Them demons know their time is up. They're jumping out even more. That's why I say like this energy is enhancing them too. Because they get to see the truth, the real truth. They get to see the truth. They can't run from it. See what I'm saying? They can't run from it.